All right, good morning everybody from the streets of Toronto one last time. So, like everything in life, all good things must come to an end. So this is going to be my last day in Toronto. Like I've mentioned before, I've had a really great time here. Some of the highlights being the CN Tower, Blue Jays, the whole Kensington Market area, the Jamaican culture. I mean, it's just been phenomenal. Really enjoyed Chinatown, all that. So with that said, like I mentioned earlier, it's been pretty hard for me to spend my Canadian dollars that I brought into the country. A lot of places only take debit. So on this last day, we're gonna have a little challenge. I got $110 left on me, so we'll call this the $110 challenge. I'm gonna make my way to the airport pretty slowly today. Gotta check out at 10 a.m. and I don't fly out till 2:30. So I have about 3 or 4 hours to organically try to find how to spend this money. I need to get some lunch. Need to get a few more things for some loved ones, and like to really pull that hockey jersey before we leave. So come along with me, y'all. Cheer me on this challenge. $110. I could spend that in a millisecond back home, and we'll see how fast it takes me to go through it here. So let's go. So I got a few places already picked out, a few things that I left on the table at a few stores. So I'm gonna go down here and try to see if they're open already. It's a little early in the morning, I might have to come back, but no little spot here that I've frequented a couple of times is open. So Heather Boo, we're finally gonna have those little Tim Horton minis. What are they? Tumblers, bumblers? Can't remember, but we'll get back with y'all on that name and verify it out. Another thing of Toronto I miss is just how easy it is to get around everywhere. I mean, this public transit is on another level. Been here for what, 4 days, and I can traverse all around the city. It's really nice. Richmond, step your game up. Oh look, Timmy's. Y'all knew where I was going. Excuse me, thank you. Doo-doo-doo. Back again. You and Lanto? Yeah, okay. Large ice pumpkin spice cappuccino. And the 10-pack Timbits, half honey dip, half chocolate. Yes, sir. All right, excellent. I can admit when I'm wrong, so Heather, I'm sorry. They're called Timbits. And my, if they are not the cutest little thing in the world. We went for the drink again today. I promise I won't have any more coffee after I get back to America. This is just an indulgence I can't deny right now. That's actually the pumpkin spice espresso. Damn. I'm a fan. Timbits. Ooh. Hello, friends. So we're in the little Kensington Market area again. Just checked out of the Airbnb, and we're gonna see if Sean's up here. Even though I didn't get to have my size in the shirt, I really like the print, so figured I'd get it for my son. So see if he's set up. Let's go. Get a couple of drinks for the walk. Excuse me. Alright, so we got, and that was the Caribbean Corner. I mean, really cool guy. He wished me well on my travels, so obviously he remembered me. I mean, I had been in there enough. Fairest prices in town here. So when you're in Kensington Market, come see the man at Caribbean Corner. That was $2.50 on a couple of drinks. Couldn't turn down a few more Jamaican specialties. So tally it up and we'll keep moving. Alright, so we went and saw Sean again, and unfortunately the shirts I saw yesterday weren't part of his collection for sale. So that guy wasn't set up today, so it's a strikeout on the shirt. Still had a nice interaction with him. Like I said, cool brother down here. Respect, Sean. Take it easy, brother. I'll go down here to this little vape shop, see if I can get a new cartridge pen. Made it back to the Hot Buds again. See if we can get that cartridge pen. Just got no permission to film. And this is Hot Buds. So I've been in here a few times this week. And we're gonna go ahead and grab a little pre-roll and a new cartridge pen. Guy was very accommodating, very knowledgeable about what he had. So went on ahead and went with what he had, the $12 option. That was the recommended one, so go with that. And we got the menu here. Overwhelming choices. So we're just going ahead and give me the pre-roll, whatever he'd smoke. So we'll try it outside before we go. Okay. A little relaxation before the plane ride. We're gonna pay cash, 30/20. All right, thank you. It's a nice little long selection. Kensington Market, I'll miss you. The best thing about Hot Buds is they got a little patio out here for you to smoke. So you don't have to be kind of a weirdo. So I got the Georgia Pie, his recommendation, and a new vape pen. That was 30/20. We'll add it on into the score. Getting closer to getting that challenge completed. But first, we're gonna have a little break. And just let me show you these things. I mean, now that is a split. Georgia Peach. Get back with y'all in a few. So I just realized when I went to go check with Sean, I left my drinks that I got at the Caribbean Market. So take a little peek and see if they're still there. I kind of got a feeling that they are. Heard a few people walking through here talking about it's so sketch. I mean, I bet you they're there. We'll see. So like I mentioned, sketch my ass. I mean, it is only drinks, but come on. Bag right here. Never felt unsafe in Toronto yet. All right, and that's the little Kensington Market part of this $110 challenge. So this is goodbye to the Kensington Market area. It's not goodbye forever, believe me. I've enjoyed my time. I've enjoyed the hospitality. You guys keep it real. Respect in the end, and we're gonna keep it moving. I'm gonna go down here to the little Chinatown area, see what money we can spend there. This is where I saw the shirt yesterday that I want to get for my mom. It kind of reminds me of like a R.I.P. Tupac shirt. It's of the Queen. You know, my mom being a Scottish citizen, I think she's gonna like that one. So let's see if they have the size. You have extra large?
Yeah.
Which one? Just one extra large.
Okay.
And you said 20?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Thank you very much. All right, cool. Got the shirt from my mom. That was another 20 bucks down. No negotiation, but she was so nice that I'm gonna give her the 20 bucks. So add it up. I think we're getting to roughly about 70 Canadian dollars, and we'll keep it going. And like I said, we were just right here on the corner of Spadina and West Dundas. She was really nice. Told her Shishini, she's Chinese, and I'm happy to know that I got at least one Chinese word into my repertoire. All right, we're gonna continue on down Spadina towards the airport. Did I mention that I'm doing this challenge for about 3 hours with this nomadic 40-liter backpack on me? I mean, whew, it's a lug, but I'm getting used to it now. Seeing if we can't find a little bandana for Rosie Pup. Oh, I kind of like she could be a thug. Oh, she's thug life now. Yes, indeedy. Okay. How much? Oh, let's see. 340. Ah, the memories. Chinatown Center. People telling me not to film. Good times, good times. All right, so we got on the tram, heading to the airport now. Might stop at the harbor, just have a breath of fresh air before we get into the airport for a few hours. So enjoy the ride. Up the tram down here at Queens Quay West, right here at the harbor. Airport's about 10-minute walk that way. Step down here and handle my last little personal business here in Toronto, and make our way to the airport. Try to spend this last little bit of money. Wish me well on completing this challenge, y'all. Harbor time. Stopped off in Starbucks to get a little iced chai. Had the hanky. Hello, how are you doing today? Can I get a small iced chai tea? Yep. How much? $5.37. Got my iced chai and heads off to her. She also gave me directions to the airport and gave me a little bit more information. I mean, I kind of knew I was in the right direction, but she confirmed that that was the case. And with tip, that was about $7.50 Canadian. Getting close, y'all. Getting close. We made our way to the airport, so I'm gonna go try to check in and get on this flight. Come on home. I miss my family. We made our way into the airport, and we're now gonna go through security. Then I'm gonna see what they got in the duty-free stores and maybe a little snack, a little bite to eat. So we're almost there. Coming home. And one last look at the beautiful city of Toronto. This trip will always be very special to me. I've enjoyed it a lot. Grab a little something here at the Market 416. Like a little sandwich, flatbreads, breakfast type place. Surprisingly limited options here in the Toronto airport. Hello. Can I get the Cuban gobbler, please?
Yeah, can I get your name, sir?
Jason. Are the drinks included over here? Do I bring the drink over?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do the large. All right.
It's Nathan, right?
Jason.
Jason, sorry.
Yeah, no problem.
How would you like to pay?
Cash.
$21.80.
Yeah, let's take a little peek, a little reveal. Yeah, looks like a Cuban to me. So that one was $21 down, so we're getting. Let's do a Cuban. Got a little bar too. You have a little drink to calm down before your flight. Chill out, pass the time. Sweet. Some British candy for our last 1080. All right, and that's a success. So challenge completed. I think all I have is about $2.50 with me. Like I said, I started with a couple of coins, so I got through the whole 110. And that's going to conclude our Canada series, y'all. Like I said, it was amazing. Flying out in about 30 minutes. We'll be back in the States. Be about a month more before I'm traveling internationally again. So looking forward to that one. We're going to go east this time. We're going to make it a long, grand adventure, a couple of months. So stick with me, y'all. Like, comment, share, everything that you can do to help me out. And we'll see you in the next one. Take it easy, y'all. Bye. Canada series concluded. So back in the good old US of A, here in my own backyard, in the hammock, little hammock action, just chilling out here on a nice little relaxing day. Wanted to take a minute to tell everybody thank you very much for all the love and support shown during this whole Canada series. I mean, Toronto was amazing, had a lot of great adventures. Glad to be able to take y'all along for a few of them, and just really appreciate all the love shown on the series. October 22nd, I'm glad to go and head out to Europe. I'll be going to Portugal for 4 days, experiencing all that the local culture has to have, the food scene. I mean, have a few tours lined up, everything. It's going to be a nice little warm-up for a nice grand trip that I'll be taking. Stick through the Portugal series at the end. I'm going to be making a nice little announcement on the next plans for this channel. And I mean, we're going places, y'all. I'd really appreciate you coming along with me. And like I said before, I appreciate all the love for this series. And until the next one, y'all, I'll see you around. Take it easy.